Good morning, students. Our today's discussion is about number line. As you all are familiar with the number line, and just recall the definition of real numbers, that any number that can be plotted on a number line is a real number. So this is the time to plot numbers on a number line. This is question number 4, and as per ALP, question number 4 part 1 is classwork and homework is question number 4 part 2 and part 4. Question number 4 is represent the following numbers on the number line. This is a number which you have to plot on a number line, and this is your number line. How you can draw your number line? Just mark a horizontal line on the positive, all the positive values, on the left side all the negative values, right side positive, left side negative values. In the center you will draw a 0. The number is in like these form, and this is in fraction form. How we can plot this type of number on this number line? Just hold a calculator, find the value. Dear student, this is just because you have an idea where your number should be. So you can see this number should be in between 0 and 1, greater than 0, less than 1. So this is the area where you have to plot this number. But how? Because if you will take 1 centimeter, here many lines will be here. How you can find where it should be? So the second step is, when you find where your number should be, that it should in between 0 and 1, then your denominator decide the values. Just divide the required area into equal parts of denominator. The denominator has 3, so your area will be divided into 3 equal parts. You will divide it by 2 lines. Please don't draw 3 lines, because that will make 4 sections. Just draw 2 lines, that will make 3 sections. Is it clear? Then your numerator decide where it should be. It should be on second section. This is 1, this is 2. So this is the point where your number should be, like this. So you will write 2 over 3 on the upper side of arrow, and this will be the point where the number shows 2 over 3. Is it clear? Let's take another example or other question. This is minus. So you know the negative is on the left side. This is the number line. Here it should be. Hold a calculator, find the value. It is minus 0.8, again less than 1, more than 0. Now you have to divide your area in between 5 sections. So draw 4 lines, 1, 2, 3 and 4. These are the 4 lines, and numerator is 4, and on the 4th line your point should be 1, 2, 3 and 4. See, 1, 2, 3 and 4. This is minus 4 over 5, and this is the point P. The point P on the number line shows minus 4 over 5. This is the last question of your homework. As you can see, this is the value is not too much good to see, but students, it is very easy. This is just shows the whole part. So you have 2 whole parts, and then the question is simple. So on the negative side, this is the 2 whole parts. This is 1 whole part, 2 whole part, and in between 2 and 3 your value should be. Here you have to divide it into 8 equal parts. So 7 lines will make 8 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 lines will make 8 equal parts, and on the 5th part your numerator decide which point is the for point P. So on the 5th point, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5th, this is the point of P. Is it clear, students? So this is a very simplest way to draw numbers on a number line. I hope you got it. Practice it, because practice makes man perfect. Thank you very much.